Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. If you are new here, do click that subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon. So, let's start with the review. So, today I have product of Dabur with me, that is Dabur Red Gel. So, this gel comes in a cardboard box like this, and they claim that it gives 12 hours of freshness and effective oral care. They say that it's clinically proven, which is effective for oral care. The cost of this product is Rs 40, and here you will able to see picture of tooth which shows freshness of cloves, mint and many more herbs. On the down part of package, they have given its authentic Ayurveda, and Dabur Red Gel brings you best of Ayurveda and ancient science of holistic healing with the power of potent Ayurvedic herbs which are scientifically proven and tested. Dabur Red Gel gives you scintillating freshness every day. Here they have given Ayurvedic herbs which they have used in toothpaste. Clove oil, Laung Tel, used for ages, people freshens, breathe and also reduces the swelling in gums. Shunthi, that is ginger, known to exhibit antibacterial properties. Tomar beech, useful remedy for toothache. Pudina sattva, that is mint, keeps mouth and breath fresh even after hours of use. Maricha, it has antimicrobial, pain relieving properties. How to use this paste? 2-3 grams full length brush amount, twice daily or as directed by dentist or physician. On the packaging itself, they have given Ayurvedic medicine composition. You will able to see the names of same herbs which they have used, along with preservatives like sodium benzoate, color, mica, anthracene, potassium, excipient, that is for gel base. This product is manufactured by Dabur, and they have mentioned that it's clinically tested for reduction in bad breath, reduction in plaque, reduction in gingivitis, keeps gums healthy. You can even write to them on their email ID, that is daburcares@dabur.com, and they have mentioned their website dabur.com. Their toll-free number they have mentioned on package itself. Manufacturing date is February 2021 and its expiry date is July 2022. Now let's open and see how this gel looks from inside. This is how tube look from inside. I have been using this product from 1 month. This is how gel looks like. If you ask me whether I am going to repurchase this product, then no, I will not repurchase this product, as I have faced a very bad experience with it. I had purchased this product from general store by reading the reviews online, but it has disappointed me. I am not speaking against this brand. This is my personal opinion, but it may vary in your case, as most of the people found this product very nice, but maybe this product is not meant for me. If you want to give it a try, you will able to get this product at nearby medical store or any general store. That's all in this video. Thank you.